How to do Super Brain Yoga. Step 1. Face the correct direction based on age. Those who practice Super Brain Yoga believe the direction you face can influence your energy and concentration. Most people who engage in Super Brain Yoga should face the east. However, if you are elderly, face the north. If you're unsure of direction, invest in a compass to engage in Super Brain Yoga. Some smartphones come with a compass application. You can also download a compass application. Step 2. Remove all jewelry. Super Brain Yoga requires a high level of mental concentration. Before engaging in Super Brain Yoga, remove any jewelry you are wearing. Some people may be hesitant to remove wedding or engagement rings. Although Super Brain Yoga is most effective with no jewelry, rings are usually not as distracting as other types of jewelry. If you prefer, you can keep rings on. Step 3. Stand up straight. Super Brain Yoga is most effective if you practice good posture. To begin the routine, stand in a quiet room as straight as possible. To stand up straight, lift your head and back upward slightly. Allow your torso, front, back, and spine to lengthen. Widen your shoulders and keep your feet flat on the ground. Step 4. Place your tongue on the roof of your mouth. To start your routine, position your tongue correctly. During Super Brain Yoga, your tongue should be just behind your teeth on the roof of your mouth. It's the same place your tongue would be if you were about to say la. Keep your tongue there for the whole exercise. Step 5. Touch your right earlobe with your left hand. Cross your left hand over your upper body. Use your thumb and forefinger to hold on to your right earlobe. Keep your thumb in the front. Step 6. Touch your left earlobe with your right hand. Now, cross your right hand over your upper body. Use your thumb and forefinger to hold your left earlobe. Just like with your left hand, your thumb should be in front. Step 7. Inhale and exhale while bending your knees. Bend your knees to lower your body towards the ground. As you do so, inhale through your nose. Then, lift your body as you exhale. Repeat 15 to 21 times. After doing one squat, repeat the exercise 15 to 21 more times. Find a number of repetitions within that frame that is comfortable to you. Remember to keep your back straight and your tongue on the roof of your mouth.